In this video, I'm about to show you how to send flower to someone in Seattle with Bloomex online. First, go to bloomex.ca and check if they provide delivery to Seattle. If available, browse through the flower arrangements and select the one you like. Click on it to see more details. Now, customize your order by choosing the bouquet size or adding extras like chocolates or a greeting card. After that, click Add a Chart and proceed to checkout. Next, enter the recipient's name, address in Seattle, and contact details carefully to ensure a smooth delivery. Choose your preferred delivery date, and if you need the same day, check if the same day delivery is available. After that, you can add a personal message if you want. Now, proceed to payment, enter your details, and complete the purchase. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation email with your order details. Now, your flowers will be on their way. If Bloomex doesn't deliver to Seattle, you can try other services like 1-800-Flowers, FTD, ProFlowers, or Teleflora for reliable flower delivery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.